Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram typing indicator not showing problem or Instagram typing text comment not showing problem in Instagram application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your Instagram app. Click any comments. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram typing indicator or Instagram typing comment text not showing problem solve. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.